How to fix Snapchat device ban. Now I'm going to be providing you the very basic troubleshooting steps. So first things first is of course locate your Snapchat application icon from your phone menu. Then just simply tap and hold the icon and then go into the icon, which is the app info. From here, just head straight to clear data and make sure that you both comply for storage clearance and as well as clear cache. Now, if this does not work, your last resort is to coordinate with one of their support. Head straight into any working browser that you have on your phone and then just simply type in Snapchat support. Choose one of their first results. And from here, just simply scroll down and hit on Contact Us. Here you can choose to necessary option that is actually relevant to your query. Once you've selected that, Snapchat will attempt to provide you basic troubleshooting steps as well. And if it does not work, then you need to submit a ticket. Now you just have to wait afterwards from the Snapchat support to get back to you with a specific resolution based on your query. Those are the troubleshooting steps for you to be able to fix Snapchat device ban.